Hello guys again and welcome back to another video, and today we've got this motion sensor from Xiaomi. It is from my security alarm and the battery is dead. I think everyone caught ourselves in this situation when a battery at a product is dead and we don't have any spare batteries at home. This motion sensor has inside the CR2450 battery. Well, let's turn this and open it. It is 3 volts CR2450 Panasonic. It was about 1 year this battery inside and now is dead. It is a huge battery, and because I don't have any spare batteries in my home, and to tell the truth I have ordered spare batteries, but it will take about 5 to 7 days to come, and I need this motion sensor to work ASAP. Well, and we are going to hack this motion sensor and make it work again. We need tape, insulated tape, a copper tape. Of course you can use an ordinary cable, thin cable, a scissor and a pin to check this motion sensor when we are going to finish the hacking. And of course we need 2 AAA batteries, and let's start. Now I'm going to connect the positive to the negative in series, just like that. You need a piece of this copper, not too long. This side. Of course, if you want, you can use any rechargeable batteries. And then connect it by series. And stretch the insulated tape. Now we need to measure the battery. We need 3 volts to work with that. We've got 3.12, it is okay, no problem. And let's measure and this battery. 3.2. Of course, it is a 1 year battery, that's for the volts. Now, we are going to take the white tape. We need to face the positive and the negative down here. And into the middle, going to put the tape. Nice. You don't want to cover this side, the motion sensor. Now take a piece of copper, a little bit longer, okay. Try to make a curve here, and we will fit it in the positive inside here. Go to the corner of the table and make this 90 degrees, and then you can fit it inside here. Nice. Now you can cut another piece. This, it will go to the positive, and that it will go to the negative. Here's the negative. Take a tape, small piece of tape, put it here, and you need to connect it to the negative. Here, be careful, don't join together the negative and the positive. Then take the old battery and connect it inside. Nice, and now you can connect it to the battery with your hand and try if it will turn blue. Take the pin, and you can see. My security alarm has just talked, and he said it was linked with my security alarm. That means it's working. Well, now take a white tape, cut the unnecessary copper tape and connect it with the white tape. Press it very hard and stretch the tape to be fitted well. Now be careful, don't join the two copper tape again. It will be okay, don't worry. And let's see.
Normal link confirmed.
Nice, it's been connected again to my security alarm. If you need to put more tape, yes, you can do that. You can put some tape here to hold and the battery. Because now it will be useless. You cannot fit it with a battery and this copper tape. You can install a double tape here in this position and you can stick it wherever is suitable for you. Now I'm going to install the position. I don't mind the battery is too long away from the main unit. It is okay for me. But of course you can find other ways to install and attach the battery to this unit, maybe from the front. You can find the right way to install this battery in this unit. It depends where you want to put it. And just like that, you will have again your motion sensor working and alive. Nice. And this battery definitely they will last longer. With the included battery, it will last about 1 year, 1.5 years. But with this battery, definitely they will last for 3 or maybe 4 years. And that was the battery hacking of the motion sensor by Xiaomi. Well guys, that was all. I hope it will be very helpful. I'm sure someone out there, it was in this bad situation where it didn't have any spare batteries at home. And I think it will help them. Of course, you can do that in other accessories from Xiaomi. Why not? You need 3 volts, of course. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.